Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here from TELW, the English Workshop. In this basic English video, we are going to talk about house. There will be 3 parts, so 3 videos. First, we will talk about introduction. Then we'll talk about the different rooms in our house. And thirdly, we will talk about the furniture. This is the basic English video series for beginners. Now, I want you to watch the total video from the beginning right till the end. Why? Because you have a lot of things in every video. You learn a lot of things. Okay? So, please watch them and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon also, the bell icon. Let's start with the introduction. In this video, we will look at 5 things: house and home, some example sentences, the kinds of houses, and we'll talk about our houses and we'll see how to talk about differences. Let's start. House or home? What's the difference? This is a house. See, it's a building. So we call it a house. But a home is where you stay with your family. You live with your family. That's your home. So suppose this is my house. It's also my home because I live there with my family. But this is not my house. It's somebody else's home, somebody else's house. But this is a house all the same. So you say, my house is in Delhi. My sister's house is also in Delhi. My uncle's house is very big. And home? I live in my home with my wife and son. Please come to my home on Saturday. He lives in a happy home, or he comes from a happy home. Happy home? Where everybody is very happy. That's a happy home. Father, mother, children are all happy. Grandparents, grandfather, everybody is happy. So it's a happy home. If they're not happy, it's a sad home. Is your home happy or sad? Where is your house? Tell us about that. Now let's look at the kinds of houses. We will look at 7 kinds of houses. Let's start. This is an apartment. In the US, they call it apartments. In UK, they call it flats. In India, we call it apartments or flats. They are same. There's no difference. Actually, there is no difference. See, you have lots of houses. These are called different floors. But they're all in one single building. That's called a block, an apartment block. This is a hut. See, it's very small. It has got a sloping roof. It's very small, just 1 room maybe. And it's made of mud. Mud huts. Now this is a cottage. It's very small. See the difference? Cottage is a very small house. Then this is a detached house. What is detached? There's only one house. There's no house attached to it. So it is detached. So The cottage is also detached because there are no houses attached to it. It is independent, no houses anywhere else around it. It's independent. So this hut is also independent. So we say they are independent houses. Just one house, nothing on any side. No other houses attached to it. So they're called detached. But this one, look at this. This is a semi-detached house. So you see, there are two houses together. They are attached. And there is one wall in between. But these, on the other sides, there is no house. So it is semi-detached. Semi means half. So half is detached, half is attached. Then you have the terraced houses. These are the houses that stand in one row. Lots of houses together, and there is only one wall between two houses. In a semi-detached house, you have two walls, but they are attached. But in a terraced house, there's only one wall and two houses. And lots of houses attached together. That's called a terraced house. Then you have the villa. Whoa, it's a big house. Look at the beautiful swimming pool in front of this villa. And there's a green lawn. Villa, it's a big house. Now let's do some speaking practice on house. I live in Delhi. My house is in Delhi. My sister lives in Delhi. So Delhi, Delhi. So I say, my sister also lives in Delhi. My sister lives with her husband and children. So they live in Delhi. We live in Delhi. I, my wife, and my son. We live in Delhi. Now I live in Green Park. We live in Green Park. They live in Malviya Nagar. Now, they are different. Let's see how to talk about different. I live in Green Park. We live in Green Park. But they live in Malviya Nagar. But. So it's different. We say but. See? Like, this is a paperweight, but this is a pen. But, different. But. So, I live in a house, but my uncle lives in a villa. Different. We live in a city, but my uncle lives in the village. He's got a villa in the village. Let's look at some more difference examples. I work in an office, but my wife works in a school. I walk to work, but my wife goes in her car. But they are different. So, in this video, we learned 5 things. House and home, what's the difference? Then we saw some example sentences with house and some example sentences with home. Then we looked at the different kinds of houses. Then we did some speaking practice on house and some speaking practice with differences, how to talk about differences if they are different. In the next video, we look at the different parts of a house. Also, the different kinds of rooms that we have in the house. We'll see you then. Don't forget to watch this video more than once. till you are strong with this so that you go to the next video. In the third video, we'll look at describing the house completely. See you then. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.